Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video we are doing OMG-19 by OMG Fireworks. This is a 30-shot, 500-gram fan cake, and it is by OMG, where I've had really good luck with their product, so I'm still picking up more of it to try. Performance is way down in the corner here. After escaping the insane asylum, Joe is now on a mission to infect the world with a new virus, the OMG Fireworks virus. 30-shot, red mind blast, red peony, green mind blast, green peony, blue mind blast, blue peony, purple mind blast, purple peony, lemon mind blast, lemon peony. So it sounds like each one of these rows is going to have their own mine and their own color matching break on it. And I have really liked the comp that OMG uses on their stars, and they've had some fantastic colors. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the range of colors in this, especially that purple, because man, their purple comp is usually outstanding. Taking the top off this cake, we have 6 rows of 5. We have a nice fanned out effect on these ones. These bores are probably 0.8 of an inch, if I had to guess, and the comp is riding pretty low in these ones. But OMG has hit really hard for the stuff I've tried and had great big breaks that I am looking forward to see if we want to spread the OMG-19 virus and start a whole new pandemic, or are we going to skip this and go with some of their other cakes that we know are awesome. Thanks everyone. OMG-19. OMG-19.